Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Andy Rocks, and today's video is all about Samsung Galaxy S9. We all know that S8 was one of the flagship phones of last year. Now it's time to take the flagship one step further. Yes, Samsung is now officially announcing the new Galaxy S9 end of this month. They just recently posted a small poster of that, so it's gonna be 25th of February. Looking at the poster, we can easily say that they definitely improved their camera comparing with the last device. The S8's camera was the best single lens camera of the year, I would say. Samsung now saying the camera is even improved more comparing with the last device. This time we're gonna get dual lens in S9 Plus and single lens is S9. Both of the cameras are improved for taking low light pictures and super slow motion videos. But still, the slow motion videos will not be as the Sony devices. They have some crazy slow-mo video recording technology, as the render says. Talking about the colors, we are getting 4 colors this time: midnight black, lilac purple, titanium gray, and coral blue. And of course, there will be some limited editions and special edition models as well. Talking about the display, we all know that S8 and Note 8 had the best display of 2017, so we are still getting the same display as we can expect, Infinity display, but the screen to body ratio is shrinking even more day by day. They reduced the bezels in the S9 a little bit more than the S8, but the screen will be still the same size, so we might expect that the phone will be a bit smaller than the last S8. There's not much difference, but the bezels are getting a bit smaller on the top and bottom. Samsung is improving their security more on the S9. This time it comes with intelligent scan for unlocking your device or for payments, which is the iris scanner and the face recognition camera working at the same time, and it will scan the face with 50,000 data points from the infrared screen to unlock the phone. So that means a more secure and faster unlocking system will be used on the S9. Comparing with Apple is using only 30,000 data points, whereas Samsung would be using 50,000 data points. So it's a huge step up. Although the fingerprint scanner will still remain at the back of the phone, but Samsung listened to the customers. They actually changed the place of the fingerprint scanner to the middle of the phone now. So you don't have to try to find out where is your fingerprint scanner to unlock your phone or for payments. Let's talk about the camera now. In the S9, we will get a wide-angle 12 dual-pixel camera with aperture of 1.5 to 2.4 to get an excellent shot, no matter it's night or day. In the S9 Plus, we're gonna get dual lenses, whereas in S9, we're gonna get the single lens. I personally don't have any problem using a single lens camera because Google Pixel phones or S8 has a single lens camera. However, these two devices take incredible shots at the daytime or the night, and we can't expect a DSLR quality on a smartphone. I prefer to use the DSLR for that. Talking about the battery life, we are getting just the same size of the battery like last year. In the S9, we're gonna get 3000 ampere, and in S8, we're gonna get 3500 ampere. There are some improvements on the processor and the OS, so we can expect that the battery life should be even better than last year. We will still have the Bixby button just below the volume rocker key like last year, but this time is gonna come out with customization as we expect, because Samsung was taking a survey asking their customers what this button's ultimate function should be. S9 is coming with 4GB RAM like the S8, and S9 Plus will come up with 6GB RAM. Both of the devices will have two models based on the region. We will see Exynos in some regions like UK or Asian countries, and Samsung is using this time the Exynos 9810 and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chip this year. And these two chips will feature with integrated neural engine that will be responsible for all the AI tasks and for improved battery life and performance as well. And both the devices will be 64GB internal memory with 256GB external SD card support slot. And we will still have headphone jack, thanks Samsung. The earphones and the speaker will be tuned by AKG. There is a rumor that S9 and S9 Plus will come with stereo speaker, but however there is no exact information till now, so we can just hope that we will get stereo speakers on the S9 and S9 Plus. Now it's time to talk about the price. Reports say that S9 and S9 Plus will come with higher price tag comparing with last year's S8 and the Note 8. However, you don't have to sell your kidney to buy a device which have no headphone jack or no even external memory card slot. You know what I mean. Yes guys, as some reports, we can expect that this will come up with $750 price tag for the S9, and the S9 Plus will $850 price tag in the United States. So that's it guys, that's all about the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you smash that like button, and if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button for more information like this, because I always make this kind of videos every week. If you want me to make more videos on Galaxy S9, just let me know in the comment section guys, or if you want me to make videos on any topic, just let me know the topic below in the comment section. I will definitely make more videos on those topics guys. So see you guys soon in my next video. Keep rocking.
Cracking.